Uborone Kamparogi, Jeremy, Jeremy, Jeremy Uborone Kamparogio. Jeremy, Jeremy, Jeremy Uborone Kamparogi, Jeremy, Jeremy, Jeremy Uborone Kamparogio. Now what you be a wakua for this palace? Now what you be a wakua for this palace? What you be a wakua, Jeremy, for this palace? Look for sellotape for me. I want to quickly and shut his mouth too. You do the talk, you do the yanni, you do the talk, you do the yanni. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Big for nothing, Jeremy. Jeremy, Jeremy, Jeremy Uborone Kamparogi.
What is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? Mama, what is it? Are you fine? Eh? Oh, no, Mama, I'm fine. What is the problem? I'm fine.
Good morning.
Asakwa, good morning. It's afternoon already. It's been long the day broke. Eh? Please, go and find something to do. Eh? Jackie Mayfe.
Mama, are you alright?
Okapukweba na elem.
Sorry, Mama.
Ujunwa, come. Are you sure you are alright?
Mama, I should be asking you if you are alright.
Are you sure you don't have malaria? See, go to my room, under the pillow. You will see money there. Take some. Go and buy yourself malaria medicine. Because I don't want to meet you in the house doing nothing. Go!
This is disgrace.
Stop!
Your Majesty.
Go and help them!
He started again, no? Huh?
Go and help them!
Joromi, Eni gbana fe. Joromi, Jojo. Bena gbone o. That's why he's singing. He's not drunk. Bena.
Will you assist them?
I should come and assist them now. Oh, she couldn't but mother no be. Is it not one person? Joromi, Eni gbana fe. Joromi, èyí ikú yẹ. Joromi, Eni gbana fe. Joromi, omi jo. Òfé náà gbọ́lẹ̀ o.
This is disgrace. This is shame. Who did this to me? The shame is too much.
My princess, he needs help at once. See, I just have to suggest something. As he's high, let's just boil hot water, very hot water at high temperature, pour it on him. Immediately the hot water is evaporating, it will evaporate with his alcohol. It will go.
Are you out of your mind?
No, let's try something else. Let's put him in a bathing tub, on water, so that him can fool. If you want to suffocate, he will shout, "Hit!" Alcohol will be gone at once. Whoa, Jeremy. One more thing. My princess, let's try ginger tea. If he takes it, alcohol will disappear. I tried it.
Will you get out? Will you get out?
What are you doing here?
Get out! Jeremy, don't step on my neck.
Oh, sir! My princess, they are all gone.
Don't get on my nerves. Out.
This is disgrace. This is shame. Who did this to me?
What is wrong with you?
The shame is too
You are causing so much embarrassment to our parents. You are becoming a nuisance. Do you know we are supposed to be living examples to the society?
Ah! Get away, you! Kapow! See, because I took one or two bottles, that is why you are shouting at me. It is because you have never tasted Madame 430's beer. Now, supper over here. Don't worry. One day, I will take you to Madame 430's bar so you can enjoy yourself.
That would be your dreams. Look, Olisa, the rain does not fall on one roof alone. Your present behavior is rubbing negatively on all of us.
So, then, get a knife and cut me out of the family.
I'll call the guards to clean you up.
Get away, you! Ow! Ow! Now I'm swimming in the ocean of good health. Get away, you! Ow! So,
Go in there and clean the prints up.
Eh? As what? Nanny? A little baby. What I can say on a no, that pampers he wore last night is the last pampers we have here. Eh? How can I be doing that? It's not my work. My work is to secure the life and property of this palace. Then it's left for the maidens to clean the men up. So,
Jeremy, go into his room and clean him up.
Okay.
One more thing. Henceforth, I want you to keep an eye on him. Take note of the friends he goes out with. Follow him everywhere he goes. This kind of a thing should not repeat itself again.
My princess, this one will be very hard though. I can clean him up, change his the part of fleeing you is what I can do because the prince do not even want to hear that someone is fleeing him. You want me to keep my eyes on him when you know that you can easily report man? Not just leave him to live his life. Allow him. Is it not just drink? Allow the young man to live his life.
Is there a law that says he must ride in the same car with him? Good. Use another car and trail him wherever he goes. We owe him that.
Come to daddy. Listen and listen very carefully. Go in there, clean the prince up, change his diapers, make sure he's very, very clean. One more thing, with a powder, moji powder, you're sorry because of it. Do that now. We owe him that.
Bia, Jeremy, are you okay? Hey God, I don't blame you.
Do you know me?
Who are you? Are you the prince? Are you the king?
Oh, you don't know me? No problem. I look into your future, like I'm trying to see your future. I see you working with a traveling bag, but I don't know where you're going to. Pray so that it will not be village you're heading to. Because I'm ready to sack you from this work. Go in there and do what I ask you to do or whatever I can say. Come on. Oh, you tell us so escape for big person. Will you kick down us up here? Huh? Just better pray if you are walking by the roadside. If don't go take trailer pass, Kuroko block, Fefuogi, you am not a Kurachawage.
Jeremy, now what to be a wakua for this palace? What to be a wakua for this palace? What to be a wakua?
What is good though? This last sweet one, I'm telling you. You're not in charge. Your money not flows like the tap. Really? My money flows like a river. Okay. There's nothing as good as having a customer that knows how to enjoy itself. That knows how to spend money. Yeah. Sister, but I pray for every day to remain like this. Yes, so I'll be eating chicken. Why not? Drinking drink. But wait, Akudo. Have you forgotten you will go to the market? It is getting late. Yeah? Come and go to the market, okay? Come and go to the market. It is after this thing. You know we need to prepare pepper soup and Obi. And it's not good to keep our customers waiting, especially the friends. I know I will go and go. Come on, go. I'm getting late.
Jeremy, 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 Baroneka, Baroki, Jeremy, 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 Baroneka, Baroki. Jeremy, 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 Baroneka, Baroki, Jeremy, 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 Baroneka, Baroki.
Mama, I'm tired. I need to rest.
Chibike, what do you mean by that? You are so tired, you want to rest? What have you done? Just to drop this palm front here, you are complaining of being tired. What is your problem? Please, go and clear that side.
Mama, I've been walking since morning now. Mama, look at the sun. I'm walking. Come to over this. I'm tired.
Chibike, is it only you that is walking? Are we not here together walking? You are complaining of the sun. Please come and finish this. Okay, you know what? Finish this side before you go ahead.
Mama, I'm tired.
Ha! What have you done? We have a lot of work to do here.
Mama, I've cleared everywhere. Now look at that side, Mama. Mama, I'm tired. Come to over this.
An old woman like me is not even complaining of tiredness. It's you that is young that is complaining of being tired. Go and clear it. Go and clear this side. That's how you see your family.
My prince, for this community, na me be Coco, aka Big Engine.
Coco.
Anything wey they have for this community, consultants.
Make I hear you. Say small body waiting.
They won't die.
I know you.
They go blow tools for their matter.
Big engine.
Small body waiting.
Big engine.
Your father.
Coco.
No go do. I know where. I dey see my period. Upu and go collect. My prince, make I give you chance.
Coco.
I greet you, Papa. I greet you, Papa. Oh God. Area character now. Area character. What a sad mother. So my prince.
Madam 430, Madam 430.
my customer.
You too set today.
I better where's my usual.
My prince.
It is well with you.
Set them.
I trust you.
Them.
Please bring his usual. You're welcome.
My prince.
Come back here, Akudo. Serve everybody in this bar. Drink and pepper soup and ukwabi on my head.
Bagam.
My prince,
Aku mommy.
prince,
Aku mommy.
You give me my prince.
Serve everybody drink. Yes.
enough drinks.
The prince.
Area and character.
The prince of all people.
Waterside.
Hey!
Madam 430. The only prince for this our community. Say make you serve all of us drink. Because we want this to one jolly. And they give us the one jolly, we want enjoy ourselves.
Everybody
Enough drink, it involves money.
money is not a problem.
Tell my people that the prince.
I beg praise our prince. Prince, come on there, now prince.
I will not know myself again. I want me jump. I will recall my senses. I will not know myself again.
Why didn't you go with his car? What is this now? I don't want problem. I don't want anything that will stress me. Ah. Sister, listen. Nobody will drive in his condition. Can't you see that God has blessed us? Or are you not sensing something good? How do you mean? This car is an expensive car. Expensive one for that matter. We can sell it. And all our problems will be over in one night. We can even close down this bar. Really? Sell what? I don't want trouble. I don't want anything that will put me in trouble. I'm okay with Prince Olise patronizing me. What is it? Say what? Please, I don't want to. So what are we going to do with this car? Let's go in and then wait a little. Maybe he might come and carry it, or someone might come and then pick it for him. Let's go in. Let's go and wait. Let's go. Let's go. Come, let's go. Stop holding the door. Please, please, please. I don't want problem. Come, let's go.
This is shame. Who did this to me? The shame is too much. Could be no good, I will not know myself again. I want me jump. I will recall my senses. Could be no good, I will not know myself again. I want me jump.
My prince.
My prince.
What happened?
My prince. My prince. What are you doing outside here? Let me take you inside. Let me help you. Yes. Come outside here. Stop me. Let me take you inside. Why? Why? You're not supposed to be here. Where is my car? I should be asking you that, my prince. No. The car left me and went inside and locked the gate. It's alright, my prince. Let me take you inside. Let me take you inside. Do you want me to sack you from this, my palace? I'm sorry, my prince. Let's be.
This is disgrace. This is shame. Who did this to me? The shame is too much. Could be no good, I will not know myself again. I want me jump. I will recall my senses. Could be no good, I will not know myself.
Close the gate.
I want me jump. I will recall my senses.
tired. Originally.
Jerome, what is the meaning of this? Do you have any problem with good sleep?
No, my prince. There is problem. There is big problem.
You have not answered my question. What do you have against good sleep?
My prince, I have voice that your father is on his way home immediately.
Not possible. My father traveled to the States and he will alert me before he returns. Try again.
My prince, from a reliable source, I have words that your father is bound to be in this palace in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Jerome, it's okay. I have headache now.
Who will take the kind of drinks you took last night and still be alive talking this morning? But don't worry, Jerome have you covered. I have an antidote to your problem, at least to make you look better in the presence of your father.
You do?
Hey, Chineke. See, I have it to work.
Go and get it.
No. We have to go together so that if you take it, the thing will start working. Your father will meet you with the work.
I need to freshen up. My father must not see me like this. Hurry up, please.
You hurry up, sir.
Welcome, Your Majesty.
Thank you.
Announcing the arrival of His Royal Majesty, King Douglas Obiefuna, the Ikukoma one of Obako Ancient Kingdom, and his lovely queen. Welcome, my king.
Oh no.
Father. Welcome, Father.
It is well with you, my daughter.
Mother, welcome.
My child.
Oh no.
You're looking good.
And you too. I missed you.
You more.
Oh no. It's good to be home.
Sure.
Welcome home. My princess,
Father.
where is your brother, the crown heir? Where is he?
True. It's fine.
He's fine.
Yes, Father.
My princess.
Mother, is everything alright? Yes, everything is fine.
You sure?
Yes.
Well
Welcome.
then. Let's go inside.
I hope I look sober enough. My eyes do not betray me, do they?
In fact, this is the first time you are dressing well in this palace. Thank you. Fantabulous.
Thank you. Let me go and see Daddy.
Go.
Wow! Dad! So soon? Welcome, Dad. I didn't know you would come in this soon. Did you come in a chartered flight? Welcome, Dad.
Olisameka,
Father.
why did we not see you outside to welcome us, your mother and I?
Exactly what I was going to do now before you came in. I'm sorry. I had a lot of work at the office yesterday, so I brought them home and I slept very late.
Huh? You? Jeremy? No. What is that?
Don't mind him, Father. He's been part of the problem we have in this palace since you left.
Shortly after you left, he developed bipolar disorder.
What?
Yes. And we've been trying to manage it. Where's mother? Let me see Mama.
Hi! Jeremy? Jeremy?
Your Majesty.
What is happening?
See, Your Majesty, I don't want to lie to you again. I just have to open up everything. Since you left this palace.
Go ahead.
Nothing. Just the regular.
What do you mean, nothing, just the regular? Jeremy?
Nam. You are welcome, Your Majesty. That is the regular.
Get out of my presence.
Huh?
I said get out!
Jeremy, Uborone Kamparogi. Jeremy, Uborone Kamparogi. Jeremy, Uborone Kamparogi.
Got it. Oh, Ejimia.
Okay.
Chokom. Tutu.
Why did you stop?
Chibike. Put it back.
Put what?
I saw what you just did. Put it back.
So what did I do?
If I slap you! Ah! What is it? It's okay.
Chibike, what is your problem?
Chibike collected the granite and hid it behind him.
Mama, I didn't take anything, Mama. We were just playing.
Chibike, put me back again.
Let me see your hand. Open your hand.
Put it back. Thief. Ifokodi.
Nuzukikiriori. Chibike, behave yourself. Behave yourself. What is your problem?
Who am I seeing? Rose. When did you return?
Oma, good afternoon.
My daughter, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
Okay.
You're welcome. Sit down.
No, come, let's go and talk. I have this for you.
Let's go.
And where is she going to?
Mama, sorry, I will soon be back. You know, my friend Rose just came back from the city, so we have a lot to catch up with. I will soon be back. Let's go.
Mama, it's not true. They are going to gossip.
Obasarage. Gossip. You two they talk. Why don't you mind your business?
Would you make sure you come back on time, oh?
Talk. Oh yeah. Look after this thing. I want to go and do something.
To the talk, you to the yane, you to the talk, you to the yane. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Big for nothing, Jeremy. You to the yane. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Big for nothing, Jeremy.
There is no need for you to check these materials. I personally selected them for you. Of course, I know it will be very nice on you.
Yeah, I like them. They are nice. But you know what they always say? Ego jolo.
Not on your side. Ujia.
Well, can't you imagine how this would be on you? Especially during the New Year festival coming up.
Look at this one. Which New Year festival? We are talking about how to raise money, to keep money and sew together. And you're here talking about New Year festival. Do I look like a grass cutter that eats a yam every day? Eh? Because tell me how much is the wrappers. Let me select the one I like.
You have the money. A flanker, this one. 5,000 naira.
Okay.
For you. This one, 5,000 naira for you.
Okay.
This 3,000 naira.
Why now? It's too costly, eh? Or have you forgotten that things are very hard in our country now?
Not your side.
Why high price now? Anyway, this 5,000 naira on, I'll take it 3,000 naira. Why these ones? I'll take it 1,000 naira. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Oh yeah, take these ones. 2,000. Take these ones for 4,000. Just for your own, no? Just for your sake.
Okay. I've heard you. That reminds me. Hope you come to meeting at Igwe's palace today, this evening.
Yes, of course. I heard that Igwe and Lolo, they are back.
Hey.
That means money will change hands.
Which money will change hands? Look at you. The only money that will change hands is the one that I'm going to give you now. For your information, we are going there for celebration of the sales returning from Obodoyibo. Let me get your manager. The second hotel get going. Money will change hands.
Obi!
Yes, my princess.
Is my brother back?
No, he's not back yet.
Okay.
Look at these things. They're out of fashion. See this one up. We're going to change all of them. Eh? See this one. We're changing all of them.
Yes, Your Highness. Your Highness,
Okay.
just give the order and I will invite the engineers and they will start work immediately.
Alright. It's like Adesa is coming back.
Father!
That's my beautiful daughter.
Greetings, Father.
Welcome again.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Ah.
Father, I've been trying to reach you on the phone.
Oh,
But it seems you were preoccupied.
of course. Yes.
It could have been an emergency, Father. And that is why I always insist you get an assistant to help you take your calls for you.
Annabelle, my daughter. Look, there can never be any news of misfortune about you nor your brother. No. Let me tell you something. The blood of royalty runs in your veins, and that is why nothing bad will ever happen to either of you.
Father.
Annabelle. Anyway, let me start apologizing for not returning the calls. We were at the middle of an important council meeting. I will also use this opportunity to thank you very much for the feat at the office. The sign.
Well, the glory is not mine alone, Father. You are the facilitator. I and Prince Olisa only sealed that for you.
Annabelle, stop covering your brother. Stop covering him.
Indira.
Indira,
Excuse me.
please. Yes, like I said, stop covering up for your brother. But I don't have anything to say about it now. I want to break this wonderful news to you.
I like to hear it.
Our partners were so much impressed.
Wow.
They said, no, Chief, we're in a safe hand, And that was very wonderful. Very wonderful.
Thank you for the confidence in me.
All right, my dear. Just go in and freshen up. I'll see you at dinner, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Annabelle. When is he coming?
He.
Your suitor.
Father.
Annabelle. Mira. Where is he?
Sister Ego! My sister! Hey! Who am I seeing? Florence, my sister! Are you doing it yourself? Hey! Long time. Look at my sister! Always shining. How are you? I'm fine. This one remembered me today. Hi, God, I thank you. Do you know that sometimes I used to wonder how we ended up being sisters? Please sit down. Thank you. How is market? How is business? Well, fine, my sister. Business is fine. But it's just that things are not running smoothly. You know, the cost of things are very high. And we're experiencing bad market, my sister. Bad markets. Just listen to yourself. We are experiencing bad market. And you are shining like a star. Hey, Florence, you will never change. You always use bad markets to cover up. I am not going to ask you for money. Hey! You will go get. But I will come for this. Sister, what are you saying? Also, how is Akudo, my sister? Hope she's fine. It's fine. That one. She has forgotten the roads to my house. And no one is even encouraging her to go back to school. Sister, leave her. She's fine. That girl does not want to go to school. She wants to do business. Allow her. Let us encourage her to do business. Please. Okay? I don't want that to cause problem between both of you. Please. It is her life. How is it my business? If she wants to go to school, if she wants to do business, that one does not concern me.
Auntie, good afternoon.
My daughter, Ujuma.
Hey, you're welcome.
So grown and beautiful.
Thank you, you're welcome.
Thank you.
When did you arrive?
I just came in.
Hey, yeah. How is Auntie Akudo?
Akudo is fine. She's fine. Our daughter has grown up. Yes. Look at you. You look so grown and beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are accusing me of not visiting you. Look at your daughter. You've already stopped her from saying me. What you want?
Auntie, don't worry. I'm just waiting to gain admission into the university. Once that happens, I'll always visit you whenever you wish.
It's okay. Why considering going to school? Also consider to get married. Women are like flowers. They fade in sunset. Okay? Ujuma, please go to the kitchen and get something for your auntie to eat,
It's okay. You're welcome.
Thank you. Hey! Ujuma, so beautiful. Sister, why did you just do that? You saw me discussing with her. You not sent her out. Why? Ujuma is not ready for marriage now until she is done with her education. So, don't go here. Sister, why are you saying that? Do you know if the man that will get married to her will train her? Do you have the money? Do you have money to train her? Why are you saying that?
Madam.
Buy
Original prince. The original
Buy
prince. Okay.
Afia, wow.
Ikebe. The man friend.
The prince.
Ako mommy.
The prince.
Ako mommy.
The prince.
With them Maya.
Afia, wow.
Ako mommy.
Afia, wow.
Ako mommy.
I know where. I didn't see my period.
What did they do you?
I didn't see my period.
You go finish all this one.
I know where. You rush. I beg. Hey. Come in this one. Jari.
Let's drink aja na ala aja. Butem maya. Open the drink.
Go see Coco for here.
Open the drink.
My please. Drunk bags. Drunk bags.
I am the kingdom. And the kingdom is I. Sing about Maya. Sing about Maya.
Let's drink
Ako mommy.
The prince.
Ako mommy.
The prince.
With them Maya.
Afia, wow.
Ikebe.
Chibike.
Mama.
What are you doing here? Where's the firewood I asked you to get for me?
Mama, Ezibike wouldn't get her.
Every time Ezibike broke, you are tired. What is even wrong with you? Eh? By the way, where is your sister?
I don't know where she went.
What do you mean by you don't know where she went to?
Mama, she left with Rose. Maybe they'll go for this Egwonwa stuff from there. Don't know.
Go to Egwonwa from there. Don't she know that we have to cook? Go and get me firewood. I'm even tired of this your sister and her way. Eh? I don't know what is wrong with that girl. Let me go and cook. You people will not eat her wood.
You dance so well. I'm telling you, do you know that you saw everybody attention yesterday night? Hey.
Well, it feels good too.
I think we should do this Egwonwa dance every time. Yes, I mean, make ourselves happy with the dance and all that.
You're right.
Yes. Hi. Did you notice that guy talking to you yesterday night?
That guy. Which guy are you talking about?
Go away. You saw the guy. Did you see the guy? I think that guy likes you.
He shouldn't like me, because I cannot bring myself to talk to him. Otherwise, my mother will skin me alive. I don't want her trouble. Please.
Skin you alive?
She will kill me.
Are you not an adult?
Rose, you seem to have forgotten how my mother behaves. Oh, so you want me to show you how she would react to it? Okay.
Ujunwa! Do not ever come into this house with unwanted pregnancy.
You don't know my mother. I don't have a strength.
Please, don't even allow me to imagine her chasing with mother.
My mother, please, I don't even want to think about that.
Oh, you see, that guy likes you.
I don't want.
Likes you.
I don't want.
The guy did not remove his eyes from me. He was just looking at you. If you go this way, you go this way. I was just looking at you.
Is it by force? I don't want.
You want?
I don't.
Ujunwa, you want?
I don't want. Come on. You want?
I will not know myself again. I will recall my senses. Omega Bakasi
Mother, have you seen Olisa? I've been looking for him all morning.
No, I haven't seen him. He should be at work.
Today is what day? I doubt if you went to work.
Is there any problem?
No, no problem. I'll see you shortly.
You sure?
Yes, I'm fine. Annabelle. Indira! Indira!
My princess.
Thank God I found you.
I've been around, my princess. Do you want anything?
Yes. Have you seen my brother Olisa?
Yes, he left a long time ago. He should be in his office now.
Which office? And what are you doing here? I thought I instructed you to follow him everywhere he goes. Pray he doesn't make a mess of himself. Because if anything happens to him, I will deal with you.
Sorry, ma'am.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong is my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't
My prince. My prince. My prince. Come and start going. I want to close you.
Come on, me.
Mm?
You cannot close by this time of the day. Go and bring drinks, woman.
My prince, you have spent enough time here. Me, I want to go and rest. I want to close. Please come and start going.
Come on, me. Bring drinks.
Please come and start going. My prince.
Coco.
My prince, from today henceforth, I am your bodyguard. Let us win so that we can be coming.
Shall we go?
Shall we? Oh, we shall.
We shall.
Oh yeah, now go. My prince, shall we go?
Yes, we shall.
Oh, we should went. Oh, joy. Please, waka jeje. Where is your car? Your motor car? Okay, look at it there.
Let me start it.
No, go and start. Look at it.
Where?
Yeah, that way. There.
Yeah.
No, this, that. That. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah,
my prince.
Let's come and do. Ikebe, is it true that
Coco?
Ikebe, my prince.
Where is the car?
The car is there.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know. I want this king to be.
Oh no, the worst has happened. The worst has happened. What happened? I saw our crown prince lying down on the road, drunk.
You don't know who you saw.
I said, you should see the way he was lying down.
drunk and dirty. He's still there now. He's still there.
He's here. I repeat, you don't know who you saw. Because our crown prince is a well-respected human being in this community, of which, what am I even talking about?
Yeah.
Every person, every man in this community wishes to have a son like him.
Yeah. Count me out. Count me off. I can't wish to have a son like him who drinks from cockroach down. No. Eh? I can't have such a son. Please count me out. Mba.
You seem to be serious about this.
Why won't I be serious? Forget about those his looks. Forget about those his looks and write him off. He is not worthy to lead our people. He is not worthy.
Do you have any proof? If you have any proof, then I will go to the king and talk to him about this.
You are still talking about proof. You are still talking about proof when I told you that he is still lying down there. Eh? He is still lying down. So that you will see him with your korokoro eyes. Let's go.
Come careful.
In a jump proof. Let's go.
See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
My prince! My prince! My prince! Hey!
Jeremy.
Obako!
Jeremy, off the AC. It's too cold here.
My prince!
Off the AC. Stop.
It's me, when? It's not Jeremy. My prince, stand up.
Jeremy, how many times have I warned you to not disturb me when you will make me banish you from this kingdom.
My prince! It's not Jeremy, it's wine. My prince! Hey! What? Hey! Let me go and report to the Igwe! Igwe!
Off the AC and on the fan.
Jeremy, off the AC.
Off the AC and on the fan.
Jeremy, off the AC.
On the fan.
Off the AC. It is too cold, Jeremy.
Bringing disgrace to this kingdom. This is disgrace. This is shame. Who did this to me? The shame is too much.
Ichie, where is he?
He was lying down right here. And his bottles were just beside him. Oh no, believe me. I know what I'm saying.
Yes.
Believe me.
Yes, I believed you. I believe you are now sent hence. Ichie, you just brought me here for nothing, eh?
No, it is not like that. Don't see it that way. I know what I'm saying. I am telling you the truth. See, listen.
Listen! It is a taboo to talk ill of the crown prince of this great kingdom.
Oh no, it is not like that.
Enough!
Oh no, it's not like that.
Enough! I said. Let this not repeat itself.
Huh? What happened?
Mother, how could you? How could you? What are you talking about, Mother? How could you hide such a thing from me?
Hide what?
How could you hide Olisa's recent behavior from me?
How did you find out?
That's not important. Answer my question.
Mother, I didn't mean to hide anything from you. I just didn't want you or Father to find out about his recent behavior.
We will eventually find out. What makes you think your father doesn't know about it already? What if he does?
Mother, it's about Olisa. We have to protect him. He needs to be safe.
How did I get here? Who did this to me?
Mother.
My word!
Nobody did anything to him. He'll be fine. It's just a matter of time, okay?
Okay.
Fine. Just a matter of time.
Oh singer, 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 singer, oh 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 singer.
Good afternoon.
It's Virginia. How are you? Now I have to talk to only you now all of you.
Okay. Actually, I came to see the prince. I am Madam 430, the lady that sells drinks at the bar, Uguagan.
Oh, when I come to see the prince.
Which one is owner? I came alone.
You don't understand. If you enter a occasion like this, MC Ganan say They have arrived. Only you. Now we.
Okay.
Are you here on special appointment or personal intention?
No, you know the prince is my very big customer. Very big customer. And I've not seen him for 2 days. So I decided to supply him the drinks myself. Yes.
You people brought the drink.
Yes, I'm the only one that brought it. Which one is you people? The only one.
You are not entering the location. You people are welcome. Okay.
Please, give it to him. Tell him I will come for the bottle whenever I finish drinking. Yes.
Okay.
Take it.
Just wait here so that I will deliver it to him and ask him if he received the package.
Okay.
Hey! I won't do.
Be careful, oh.
Why? Nabom, you give me.
Sorry.
Wait here. You hear me?
I hear you.
Seriously, man, I don't understand where all this is leading to. I mean, who is feeding you all of this?
Quit pretending. Do you think I don't know you sneak out of this house to go and drink all the time? This is not expected of you, son. Do you even know who you are? The heir to the throne of Obako Kingdom.
Mom, you don't have to drum this into my ears. I know who I am. But believe me, I'm not a drunk. I could go out and I remember I go out and I take 1 or 2 bottles like every other person, but drunkenness? No.
Don't lie to me.
I'm serious, Mom.
Don't ever lie to me. You can't just tell me you don't know when all these things are happening. You can't tell me you can't remember you get drunk all the time.
I don't remember any such incident, Mom. Yes.
You don't remember?
Not at all. No.
Then if you don't remember, something is wrong somewhere.
I will recall my senses. If I'm thirsty for drink, I will not know myself again. It's after drink, come on. I will recall my senses. Borogi, Jeremy, Uborone kam Borogio. Jeremy.
What is that? Jeremy, turn around. I said turn around. Where are you taking that drink to?
Child education. Celebration.
Wow, that celebration on your head or your tail. Where are you taking those drinks to?
To the prince.
The prince? What for? What is he celebrating?
Imagine you acting as if you don't know that the prince normally celebrates in this house. He is always celebrating, even when he doesn't have anything to celebrate for. Everyone asked me to give it to him.
Where?
My king. See, the woman said that the prince is one of the biggest customer she ever had since she started selling beer parlor. And for some time, she has not seen the prince come to her bar to drink. So she now decided to bring this one in appreciation of what the prince have been doing all this while, to say thank you, Sally Hina. You understand? So, with the look of things, he's trying.
And where is the woman?
At the gate. I told her to wait so that if the prince receive his order, then she can now go.
I see. So this is one of the idiots that contribute to my son's drinking habit.
No, you don't get it right. You don't understand what I said. This woman is actually even helping your son, sir. See, before your son used to go outside. Drink, sleep out, that is direct shopping. But this time around, they have changed, upgrade. He deals in online shopping now. Call the person that supplies the drink. The person will come direct and deliver the product. Now, you don't need to sleep outside again.
Now, drop this drink here. Go to the gate and bring that woman to my presence immediately. Here. I said drop the drinks here. Hey! Drop them.
Oh, you did not get me right. See, I see this drink that I dropped here. The woman said I should give it to her customer, a drunkard, meaning the prince, specifically.
Will you shut your trap? Now, before I open these eyes that are closed, you are up to bring the woman here. Quickly! Are you there? This way, to the gate.
Jeremy, now what you be a work for this palace? Now what you be a work for this palace? What you be a work Jeremy for this palace? Look for sellotape for me. I want to quickly shut his mouth too. You do the talk, you do the yarn, you do the talk, you do the yarn.
No, that should be the least of your worries.
I know. But to tell you the truth, it gives me sleepless nights. I want to be a professional medical doctor. It's not too much for me to ask.
Ujunwa, you will get this admission. You will get it. The only problem I have with your plans is the money. Because I heard that you will pay a lot of money to get admission into the university. And you that I know. You got to know.
I don't want to talk about that one. I know full well. But I don't want to think towards that direction. I believe in God. Once I get to that bridge, I will cross it. For crying out loud, we are talking about my future here. And the future is so bright, can't you see? It's so glaring. I believe in myself. I know I have something greater than being in this village. The future is bright for me. I need to push. I can't be stopped here.
I believe in your future too. I believe you have faith. Don't worry. But I want you to know that nothing good comes easy. I hope you know that.
I know now. I know. Let's go and fetch water.
Let's go.
My king, what is it?
Are
you okay?
Obedient.
Yes, my lord.
I have asked myself questions. Questions. Where did I go wrong? There has never been any member of this family, dead or alive, who ever lived with the mortals. No. So why must my own son, my only son, and the heir to the throne of Obama Kingdom do this to me? Why? What does he stand to gain?
My king, I wish I have answers to your question. But I'm assuring you that everything will be alright. I promise you. Our son will change from his ways. It's just a little time.
Did you say time? Yes. Time? Why does he need time to stand up to his responsibilities? Why? Do
Do you realize the amount of shame he is bringing to the name I so hard to build? No, do you realize that very soon he will be introduced to the kingmakers as the crown heir to the throne of a wild kingdom? Do you realize that?
Please, my king, be patient. Hmm?
Abidia, get up. Get up.
I will.
Listen, talk to your son in the very language he will understand.
Sure.
Else, I will be forced to disown him.
Huh? Your Majesty, it hasn't gotten to that now. Your Highness.
No doubt, but what went wrong? I don't know. See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself.
What to protect you now? Leave my clothes.
Pay me my money. You see me, they run.
Me
run. You won't run me street. Me. And then pay me my money. Pay me for the drinks what they give you. The meat, the cigarette. You never pay me.
Eh? Coco? See. Fine. Drink. I drink. Smoke. I smoke. But meat I don't chop because I don't get it.
Now me chop am.
By the way, she claims the priest go pay you now. You know we don't know apparel now. Which one?
Which priest? Priest never come for how many days now? Ha! My elder sister dey vex so, but the 4:30 dey vex. She say make I be give 5 people where they owe her. So as I don't catch you now, you go pay me my money.
Everywhere good, but oh yeah, leave my pocket. Now there the money dey. You want rob me? You want? Leave me my bring money now.
Hey! Coco! Okay, you go run. No problem. I will catch you. Me, and homie, one homie street. You go see. Hey! Anyway, I catch you. Remember say every day for the thief, but one day na for the owner of the house. Me, one homie street, Abi. No problem. I will catch you.
He's a prince, no doubt.
I will catch you.
What's wrong?
My prince, your constant withdrawal is beginning to affect the company. Soon the auditors will notice loopholes in our accounts, and that was the need for that.
What are you insinuating? Because I'm certain I've only withdrawn once this month. Except you and the other staff are swindling this company. Because I heard you recently acquired a car.
No, my prince. The transactions are very clear. They are not hidden. In 2 weeks now, you've made a lot of withdrawals.
Manager, you're getting on my nerves.
Sir, it's just that your father will notice this and we will be blamed for that.
Your job in this company is to manage the company. Stick to your job specification and do not tell me how to run this company, okay?
This is not good for the company, especially for those of us working for your father.
Wait. Are you insinuating I'm not in charge? No. You stand before me and insult my person?
Sorry, sir.
Let this be the last time you'll advise me. Stick to your job specification and do what you're paid for.
No.
You can leave my presence. Get out of this place!
See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
Follow me.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Where is the Crown Prince?
Huh?
You had me over.
Oh. He went out since morning, no. Till now, he's not yet back.
Since morning?
Mm.
And you didn't go with him?
My dear. Your Excellency. I was prepared. Very, very ready. Fully prepared in my regalia. When I'm about to step out, the unusual happened.
Unusual?
Wow. My dear, Your Majesty. Standing by, just by the side of the car. Behold and behold. From the depth of my stomach, the intestine started troubling and rumbling with my brain. And I said, what will I do? I rushed, left the prince, rushed inside the toilet straight away, opened the door, wide open. Then I turned behind. It took me 10 minutes before I could release the chief security of armed forces.
Oh, shut up. Who cares about what you do in your closet? I want to ask you a question.
Go on, that's what I'm paid for.
Do you know where the prince goes to drink?
Yes, sir. See, let me tell you the truth. You are a very good person. I will tell you everything you need to hear. See, in this kingdom, nobody is more good than issues okay. See, standing presently here, let me not lie to you. I don't know where he normally goes to drink.
You're very, very stupid.
But I know where we can find him.
Where? Where?
He must be in one place.
Like where? That's what I want to know.
A bar, any bar. So if we search, we can find him.
A bar, any bar. Yeah. You must be out of your senses. Stupid boy. Nonsense.
Are you going up?
Iya gabegu iya oyinye chesobea iya gabegu iya abiyere nemuno abiyeru mokorobia abiyeru mabobia igabegu kere tin
I hope I'm sharp. Yes, now you are looking very sharp. Very good. Big. My sister, who says vulture is good to be eaten? Maybe some people think they can use pepper soup and beer to charm the prince.
I hope you both are not talking to me.
We are talking to you. Oh, is you we are talking to? What will you do? What can you do? Is it only pepper soup and beer you know how to serve? Nothing else. You don't know how to do any other thing. Pepper soup and beer.
I hope you both are not making mockery of my sister and I.
Somebody is waiting for me.
this rat, you will know.
Since when did you notice these irregularities in the company's account?
It has been happening since you are away in the United States of America. Prince Novosa has been making a lot of withdrawals. And even when I tried to confront him, he
Then what? What?
Sir, he said I have no right to question him about those withdrawals.
So why did it take you too long to notify me? You are the general manager of the company, for crying out loud. You, of all people, should have told me. You have direct access to me.
I'm sorry, sir. Prince Novosa was totally in charge.
Madam.
Yes, sir.
You are fired.
Sir, please. Please, sir. You know, I've been in this company for a long time now. Trust me, I promise to make amends. Please, sir. Please.
Listen, trust is not a matter of techniques, tricks or tools, but of character. Trusting you was my own decision. Doing me right is your own choice, but you lost it.
I'm sorry, sir.
Please, get out of this premises.
Sir, please. My children will eat too. Think about that. Please, sir.
Get out of this premises right now.
Sir, please.
I said get out, manager. Leave! Don't let me repeat myself.
Where is she? Can you imagine? Is where is your sister? Where is your sister? How can she beat up my sister like this? For what reason?
Oh, doesn't that you don't know how to greet? Please, there is your sister. How?
Please leave greeting.
What's wrong?
How can she beat my sister up like this? Bia, it is not mad to get her. Eh?
What happened?
What did you do? I did not do anything. I was just passing. I saw her passing too, then I greeted her. She started beating me.
Hey! You just greeted somebody, she started beating you.
Yes,
Is she a mad person? What did you do?
I didn't do
anything. She did not do anything.
Were you there?
I was not there, but I know she did not do anything. She's my sister. I know. How can she beat her up like this? Can you imagine? Just look at her face. Just look at her face.
She did not do anything. She just started beating her.
My own is that, if she's around, let her come out. If she thinks she's strong, let her come out. Let's do it woman to woman.
Really?
Yes, I'm ready.
She's not here. You push her go.
We are not going anywhere. Just like that. We are not going, You give us money to treat her.
Give me what? Don't do what? Please, you put you get out of my store. Give you money to do. You just saw somebody and greeted the person. When you start beating you, she a mad person. Out from my shop, I beg. I want to see a nice customer.
Can you imagine?
Out!
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm out!
Do you want to beat me?
Before I complete what my
sister
did not finish.
Me?
I said out!
I'm not going anywhere. Stay here. No, we're not going anywhere. Stay here. We're not going anywhere. Let her
Don't worry. Just wait for me.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong? He's my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know. See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
Today, tomorrow no more. If I mad today, I go mad no more. Yes, my prince. Easy. I'm clear. Easy. Now, move it. Easy.
For the vast majority.
Yes. We have the varsity and the varsity. Yes. Today, tomorrow no more. If I mad today, I go mad no more. They're not rich. They're not rich. Opekesis and opekesis.
Part of the majority.
It is we that get up. Good! My breeze to the house. Here we go. Chankes.
When did he degenerate to this level?
I can't explain it myself. The prince of Owako kingdom? A drunk? Oh, this is questionable.
I am the kingdom. The kingdom is me.
Bagam, and you have the power to fire
the vast majority.
Bagam. Clear. My guy, no reason them. Upekes is no level.
The vast majority.
My biggest motivation at those days I no sit for chop.
I understand, Your Majesty. But you should know that Nwoye's family has blown a dagger's draw with Onoka's family. And I suggest we take a stand on their matter.
No, we are saying the same thing. The same thing. That land needs to be taken away from them to avoid stories that touch the heart.
Why keeping the land? Let us just settle the argument.
Yes. By selling off the land and then share the profits among the two families.
Minus.
Yes. No, that was a joke. Yes, I know that the Onokas are the original owners of the land. I know that. Yeah, I thought as much.
Because I have seen their grandfather come on that land.
Of course, yes.
So I suggest we cede the land to them.
Then remind me to make a royal pronouncement to that effect.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Father!
Oh, my beautiful daughter.
Greetings, Father.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
Princess, how are you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
Welcome again. I hope the office was fine.
Yes, sir.
You enjoyed it with your brother?
Brother?
Yes.
He wasn't at the office. Is he not home?
He was not at the office. Then where could he have been? What? Who could that be? Who was that?
Come on, get behind me, Satan! You!
Leave us alone.
Leave my mama alone!
I'm free!
You are gone. Well, huh? Don't know me. Huh? My father!
I love you.
My father! My father!
Let my child fall down.
I have come to make you proud. I brought 2 lolos.
You can say that again.
2 lolos. My father, my father.
Olisemeka?
My father.
What is all this for?
I brought 2 lolos to the palace. Isn't that what you want? Go on, go.
You can say that again. Are you not hearing? We should leave him alone.
Leave me alone, you want to push me?
You cannot stand on your own now.
You leave. Jeremy, leave my lover in the way. Leave her in the way.
Leave me.
Not only me cannot handle. Only you handle it.
Leave me alone, my friend.
I have to let the small one go. I'm coming back for you.
No, my friend. My friend. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you've done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
Chibike,
Mama.
where are you going?
Mama, I'm going to see my friend Ogadi. We plan to meet up with someone.
Someone that doesn't have a name. I said, where are you going? And who are you planning to meet?
Mama, don't you know my friend Ogadi again? He normally visits us here.
Yes, the Ogadi I know. But that someone without a name attached to it is what I don't know. Nah, Biko.
Mama, you just want to kill my time, Mama. What if I had told you I was just going to see Ogadi? Would you have known that I went to somewhere else?
That would be selfishness. Have you forgotten that these days are bad? Have you not noticed that your sister normally tells me where she's going to? Why would your own be different?
Mama, that's because she's a woman now. I'm a man. I don't need to tell you any... Mama, nah.
Hey, the man. Man, can I Mama, thank you. See, until you start providing food for us in this house, that's when I will acknowledge the fact that you are a man. For now, you are not a man. Look how much happening here. Carry it. The man. In a zaman.
No. This is not ordinary. His behavior surprises me. Could you ever imagine my own son becoming a notorious drunkard?
Let's take it easy with him. Maybe he's going through something that he wouldn't want to share with anyone. I believe someday he will turn around.
Obedience. I think you're trying so hard to defend this boy.
No.
I hope you are not going to regret our actions in the future. Make out time and talk to this boy.
Sure, I will. God, I will definitely talk to him.
Okay. All right.
I need to drink.
Who
did this to me? The shame is too much. Could be the Gobama. I will not know myself again. I want me jump. I will recall my senses.
Apologies, my friend. May I have a word with you? My prince, I think it is time you reroute a little bit. Since you love drinking, why not buy them and stock them in the house instead of drinking outside and bringing disgrace to the entire royal family?
What?
Apologies. I'm just making an honest opinion.
I mean, why would I buy drinks and bring them into the spice wardrobe?
Then why do you drink? My prince, there's no single day you do not come back home smelling of alcohol and vomit. Everybody knows that. And they call you the Prince of Bottle.
Are you sure?
Yes, my prince. That's the truth. My prince, it's time you retrace your steps and change your drinking attitude.
The problem is, I don't even know how I end up in those bars. Drinking and ordering drinks for people. I'm not a drunk.
But you like drinking?
Yeah. Every man does, every man drinks. I mean, it's common.
But my friend, I think you should just...
Indira, please. I want some time to myself, please. Excuse me.
Apologies, my friend.
The shame is too much. Shame. Could be the good I will not know myself again. I want me jump. I will recall my senses. Could be the good I will not know myself again. I want me jump. I will recall my senses.
So, finally you decided to see me. I'm so sorry that I've not been here since. My mom is just on my neck. She will not just allow me to be with my friends. Eh?
I know what it means to be an only child. The home will never function without you.
Thank God you have the details.
So, the other day I was dropping you off, you said you were going to somewhere.
Oh yes! I was going to Egwonwa with Ujunwa.
Egwonwa? You
mean you've never been to Egwonwa? Ah, Egwonwa is always very fun. We used to dance. You have to be there. That's like growing up without a breast milk. You need to be in Egwonwa, my princess.
You're not making that up.
I am not! Listen, you have to think about it. You need to be in Egwonwa. You will dance with other people. It will be fun. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll see to that, okay? I'll try and visit someday.
You should visit. You like it. You like it. The palace looks so calm.
Thank you.
So calm.
Thank you.
And you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Enjoy your drink. Thank you.
You have seen the plantain. If you give me money, I cut it for you.
It's okay. No problem. Hey, Mamuji. Yeah? The whole town is running helter-skelter over your daughter's unique dancing step.
I did not hear about it. Ujunwa has always been known as a good dancer, right from the time she was a baby.
Hey! Everybody wants to be at the next Egwonwa just to see her swing her waist. Imagine me, I went there myself to see things. To be sure if what they are saying is truth. You see that your daughter? She will go far in life.
Amen, amen. You know she took after me. I used to dance very well when I was growing up. The whole villagers used to gather to watch.
She has to use this to her own advantage. Why not send her to dancing school? I hear people go there to learn how to dance.
Once again, what did you say? Dance school? Just to dance? Mbano.
Not to do with my daughter.
You're not even praying for her to be accepted into the normal university. Just like her mates. If Ujunwa wants to dance, let her stay in this house and dance. Huh? Mamuju, dancing school is also like university. So she can do it. Mbao, none of my children will go to dance school. Huh? Let us go inside. Let me bring her for you. Is it me hanako? As for going to dance school, Oburo be my hanako. Oburo makanke dance school. Forget about it. Let me go and bring you up. I'll give you the other.
Chibike, please, I don't have your time. Hurry up.
Sister, I still wonder how you were able to trick me into following you to the market. I'm a man. The market is meant for women.
Look at this boy. I don't understand. Who taught you that one? Oh, those men selling things in the market, they are not women up here. Come on, follow me. Let's go where we're going.
Sister, this is different. I'm a young man. A promising one at that.
A young man. A promising one at that. Man able to eat ofe. Go aga bute nuku efele. Where what's your needing it? You eat more than everybody in the house. I don't understand you. Chibike, follow me to the market. You will do that.
Sister, I've changed my mind. I'm not going to the market again. Leave me.
Chibike, what about Bobo? If you're not going anywhere. Okay, you are not going anywhere, right? Is something wrong with your head? Oh, I'm talking to you. And you're raising shoulder for me. Let me tell you. You will not just go with me to the market. You will be the one to price every item for me to pay. I feel me. Now move.
Sister, I'm not going.
You're not going. Chibike. You say you're not going. No problem. Don't go. I'm a man now taking a whisker and pium. You don't want to go. I'll go home. Go home!
Sister, but you promise you will not tell anyone now.
I promise I won't tell you. You're raising shoulder for me. Your elder sister. You don't have respect anymore. Right now, move. Move it. Go. Hold this thing. Please move. Etiko. Etiko can't own the 5 naira jiho. Etiko. Big boy. Come on, move. You must go with me to the market. Whether you like it or not. What you take with me?
Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Big for nothing, Jeremy.
Police Emeka's behavior is not normal. It is not.
Mother, are you saying his behavior may have some spiritual connection?
Yes. Your brother will be the next king of this land. And I wouldn't want the situation where people will see him as a failure.
Look, Mother, I don't think this is spiritual. These are habits that people develop gradually, probably due to peer pressure, friends, or depression.
Depression, you say? But your brother has nothing to worry about. And as for friends, I only see him with business associates. I've not seen him with anyone with a questionable character.
Mother, you can't be too sure. Olisa Emeka is not a saint. Look, all it needs is close marking and counseling. That's all.
You're right, my child.
By the way, where is he? That's true.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong is my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong?
Dial the number again.
Do what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
That means she refused your suggestions.
Yes. I mean, dancing is a good thing. And Ujunwa knows how to dance and can change the life of their family. I wish I can say the same for my daughter Rose.
That reminds me. Where is your daughter Rose? I haven't seen her for some time now.
She is fine. I know she is somewhere. Only one place. Ujunwa's house. Those two girls, they behave like twins. And leave the whole housework for me to do.
You haven't seen anything yet. Come over to my house before Kokoroko. Everybody will disappear like a wind. It seems I never had children.
God forbid, not in my house. Listen, if she like, let her go out and spend the whole day. If she comes back, she will start where she stopped. And I make him.
I thank God for you.
Anyway, how is your husband doing?
It's fine. And yours?
Oh.
And amen.
Mama. Oh, two of you finally came back alive. Eh? Thanks to God.
Mama, are we not supposed to be alive? I don't understand.
I heard that the market was on fire. It did not burn the two of you.
Mama, you're confusing us. Which market? Fire kwa?
The market we went to wasn't on fire.
It wasn't on fire. And you stayed for this long. I sent you to the market how many hours ago? That reminds me. Where is the food items I asked you to buy for me? The food stuff. Where is it?
Chibike,
Mama, she lost your money. Mama.
Eh?
Yes, she lost your money.
Chibike, what did you just say?
No, Mama, don't mind him. It wasn't an intentional act.
It wasn't an intentional act. Ujunwa, you lost my hard-earned money. My hard-earned money.
Mama, she lost your money.
Shut up your mouth. Are you mad? Mama, I'm so sorry, sorry.
See, before I close and open my eyes, Ujunwa, you have gone wherever you are coming back from and get my money for me now!
Yes.
I go for answer. You see, yes. I
Yes.
used to be. In a parlor.
Mama, you've seen Mama. No.
You don't.
See, Chibi,
You don't have respect anymore. Are you mad?
No, I mean the both of you.
Mama, she was the one that lost your money. I told her.
What do you mean? I said both of you should go and get my money.
Stop that now, Chibike, what is wrong with you? Why will you be talking to your mother like that?
It's not my mom, it's not my sister. She lost the money that Mama.
Hey, are you stupid? I will beat you. Mama, please now. Please help me and beg Mama. I love.
It's okay. Mama, please, just calm down, eh?
Ujunwa, you people should go and get my money, oh!
Yes,
my hard-earned money, oh!
Don't worry, they are going to look for the money. Eh? In fact, I will follow them to the market and look for the money.
You mean I should forget about my hard-earned money?
No,
Is that what you mean?
No, don't forget about it. We'll go and look for it. Don't worry, please.
It wasn't intentional. I'm sorry, Mama. You...
Chibike, what do you mean by... Go and get my money for me!
Ujunwa! Hey! Take it easy now! Stop now!
Rose! Leave them! Let them go and find my money! What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? Look at... As big as Ujunwa is, she cannot even control herself! Come on to go to the market and buy something for me! She lost my money! What do I do now? Eh? Hey! Okay, womb.
Kingdom of peace. Kingdom of peace.
Harry, home is calling. I cannot wait to get home and have a very good rest this weekend. It's been one hell of a long, busy week.
Speaking of rest, you mean the part where you drink yourself to stupor?
Come on, man. You know that's not me. Truth is, I don't even remember doing these things. I come back and they tell me I got drunk and dirty and came back home staggering. Sometimes I had to forget my car and someone else drives it home. And I'm baffled. This is really embarrassing for someone like me and I don't know what this is.
What is going on? You know, if I don't know you too well, I would say being a drunk is really who you are. I mean, what happened to the disciplined man I know? I think I know a way out of all this.
Oh, really?
Buy back contracts. Yes. That's where everyone goes home happy.
No, that's corruption and you know I will not be part of that. I will follow everything with due process. Things have to be done properly. You sign all the necessary papers, check well and verify they are legitimate. That's the only way I'll be part of the business.
It sucks. Trust me, I know. But I like the greasing of palms and panting people at the back, you know, for a job well done. You and I know that due process takes a very long time. I mean, months of putting together documents, you know. Anyway.
You of all people should know that I would not involve myself in anything that is not proper or legitimate. If it doesn't follow due process, then automatically I'm out of it. So make sure everything goes accordingly, go through all the bureaucracy, sign all the necessary papers, make sure it is legitimate, and then I'll leave.
Okay, if you say so. I have to be on my way.
Alright, I'll talk to you later.
The life you are living now, this life you are living now, and you're the trials, it's just a testimony.
Honestly,
It's just a
I need help. I really do know I need help.
Let me advise you. Stick to the number of bottles your head can take. Or better off, buy these drinks and enjoy them at the comfort of your home.
You have a point. What?
No, I am not talking to you. Stop following me. I don't like it. What?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I've been following you from afar. I would like to know you. So sorry.
You would like to know me? Please, I don't like that you've been following me from afar and I don't talk to strangers. Please.
Don't be offended. You from this kingdom?
Yes, I'm from this kingdom, but I'm sorry I cannot stand there and talk to you. I have to be at home. My mom passed through this way and I don't want her to meet me here. Please.
Please, hold on a sec, please. My name is Henry. And I'm from the neighboring village. What's your name? And where do you come from?
My name is Rose. I'm from this village.
Such a nice name. Nice to meet you, Rose.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. I would not like to take much of your time. I would like to meet you some other time.
Alright, that's fine. My compound is just here, Udoye's compound. You can come and see me if you want to.
Sister, I wish all our customers would be like the prince. Who comes in here and spends so much money? Do you know anytime he comes, I always thank God for his patronage.
My sister.
I'm even afraid though. Do you know that I will get sick if he stops coming to our bar? Our prince really know how to enjoy himself. Unlike those stingy men around. I'm beginning to see the prince as my future husband. Tell me, won't the queen of this land look good on me?
Future queen.
Don't you know the prince already has someone whom he wants to make his future wife? So what are you saying? Like you're not fitting as his queen? I did not say so. Drop that talk. Go and restock. It's getting late already. I'm not going anywhere.
I am so excited.
You are!
What's going on?
Guess. Guess, no, guess, yeah, no.
You're getting married. And now, what will make you this excited? Even though that you found the love of your life. What is it?
My dear, I am not getting married. I, Ujujule Junior High C.
I see you.
I've just gained admission into the university. Yes! So I will be going to university. This goes for a big celebration. Yes, it does. That is what I've come to share with you. I didn't even know you're going now. I am going to the farm for my...
I want to go fetch firewood for my mother. Okay. Let's just go and fetch this firewood. After this firewood! Hey! After this firewood!
Celebrate!
My friend is going to the university! University! Oh my god, this is good!
I will not know myself again. It's after drink, come on. I will recall my senses. I will not know myself again. I will recall my senses. Omega Bakosi Ame, Opanula Gula, Oga Bakosi Amu, Obalezania, Omega Bakosi Ame, Opanula Gula, Oga Bakosi Amu, Obalezania.
My prince.
Sun goes down.
My prince. Everybody has been worried about you. You drove out this early morning in your car. Where is your car?
My car? You don't know what you are talking about. I did not go with my car. Out of my way.
My prince.
Beautiful things are happening.
My prince, you hurt yourself. You hurt yourself.
Sun goes down. When the sun goes down. When the sun goes down, beautiful things are happening.
What happened?
When the sun goes down.
I found him at the drunk. He already passed out. Like this. I take it to his chamber. Okay.
When the sun goes down, Mama, beautiful Mama. When the sun goes down,
Your Majesty, his constant drinking is causing me a lot of sleepless nights. Is there nothing we can do about it?
What would you have me do? I am not the one pointing out the bars to him. It baffles me how a man can leave his home, sin, and then return so drunk.
Your Majesty, please, let's do something before it gets out of hand. Please. Let me check on him. Ollie.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong is my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know, See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
Hi. Mother.
Good morning, son.
Good morning, Mom. I wasn't expecting to see you at my bedside.
How are you feeling?
Headache. I didn't even know when and how I got home last night. It's as if the boys' brigade band are playing a carnival inside my head.
That is because you came home so drunk and dirty. You had the living room smelling of alcohol.
Take care. You're just a member of this. I know everybody must have been embarrassed. But honestly, I don't remember doing all those drinking and stuff. Was Dad around when that happened?
Policenika, I can't believe you don't remember your super grand entrance. Your father was so furious that he couldn't take it out on you.
Hey.
Why you? Sorry, I know I shouldn't be asking you this. I'm really sorry, Mom.
It's alright, my child. Go freshen up. Come downstairs for your breakfast.
Okay, Mom.
I'll be there waiting.
I'll be there right away.
It's alright.
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong? He's my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know. See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine? Look at what you done to yourself. Bringing disgrace to this kingdom.
Greetings, Father.
Olisemaka,
Father.
please have a seat. I would want us to talk.
Sorry, Dad. I'm running late for a very important appointment. Can we talk when I'm back?
Really?
Yes, Dad.
Coming from someone who is always under the influence of alcohol, I wonder if where you are rushing to now is for something positive. See, what is that? I was hoping I raised a worthy heir, but from what I'm seeing, you are beginning to turn into something else. Words of your exploits, drinking exploits, in almost the spots in and around this kingdom are on every lips. And that prompts me to ask you, when did you become this wild and careless? Answer me, Olisameka, answer me!
I'm sorry about that, Dad.
So aside your being a drunk, you have also turned an extravagant person. Would you mind explaining to me all those huge expenditures on that account? Do you know how long it took me to make a dime?
Sorry about this, Dad.
It is late to say sorry now. Olisameka, I have lost my trust in you, and that is the truth.
We barely know each other, and you're asking me to marry you.
Don't need to worry about that. Perhaps I've told you everything about me. Let us just hit off the road.
You don't know anything about me, alright? You need to give me some time. What do you know about me and my family?
Trust me, that isn't necessary. I mean, we have a lifetime to do that. The most important thing right now is that we love each other.
You need to give me some time, please. You really need to give me some time.
Rose, I love you. And I mean it.
You still need to give me some time.
Rose, please.
what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. Who gave you wine?
Jeremy, hurry up with the car key.
My prince. Well, are you going out?
Something wrong with you. I asked you to get me my car keys and you're asking me if I'm going out. Or is anything the matter?
Everything is the matter. Everything matter. I have a solution to your problem.
My problem? What solution? What problem?
My prince, I know you do not read my profile when I got work here. Bani Mobudu, go to the village, ask your father. Everybody knows me. See, my prince, what you are doing now, you are even learning in our school of drinking. You are just starting up as a primary school child. Ketangana is a stray. Because you don't drink. If I were to be around that time that Jesus Christ turned water to drink in the Bible, I believe no one in that occasion would drink one bottle. I will finish them up. I'm a drunkard. That is why I've arrived with your remedy. Lekuya. Remedy. Gaga Liogu. We call it Bitakola in Igbo. Agbi Ilu. That name Agbi Ilu means your problem is over. When you're going to the bar, take it. It has two methods of drinking. It's either you chew or you swallow. After doing that, Mubamaya. My prince, drink. Don't be scared of anything. Just all you have to be doing is, Madam, more bottle, drink. After 5 days, you move to stage 2, which is Ipuwa. If you are going out, I will tie small salt for you in a nylon. When you reach there, pour the salt inside your shoe. Match it. Wear your shoe back. Mubamaya. My prince, drink. Again. The salt will be there to neutralize it. Drink. You will drink to the extent the women will come and ask you, how do you used to do this thing? After like 5 days, move to stage 3, which is going to bar with Alabuko. If you are going, I'll buy 3 for you, 50-50 naira. If you reach there, after taking like 1 carton, open one, pour it in your mouth. My prince, drink! It will get to a stage whereby the woman will even be the one to tell you to go. You will drink to the extent that if they bring bottle to your hand, you see the bottle will leave and say, I'm not ready to be drunk. Trust me, you will like it.
Jeremy.
There, my prince,
are you crazy or you're joking? You stand before me and insult my person? What do you take me for? A drunk?
God forbid. Your Royal Highness. If your father dies today, you are the nurse. You always high. So from there we'll get the title for you. Your Royal Highness. In a deal the mother we carry what to highness. But let's let ourselves the truth. My man. Truth to God, my man. Baba, you did it.
For me, I want to quickly in a shot his
The bread of my ear is gone. I'm only suggesting a therapy to your problem. You slap me. Let's take the truth. You go out every day and return drunk. Which other English can we use to qualify it? Is it not drunkard?
Do not hand me that key now. I will kill you with my bare hands. Hand me the keys!
I'm going to go.
Swine.
If you don't want to swallow it or chew, you put your penachi and not put your kutaba. One is to be Hannah, for cheat to put them. So much cheat me. What they used to say, Bitakola is 500 naira. So put 8, check them the 500. I know you. You come back drunk. They already an architect. You still need it. Oh, you come on, give me.
For this palace, what to be a work, Jeremy? For this palace,
Jeremy, the way our prince is drinking these days is getting out of hand.
I don't understand. Which part is it that you don't understand in this case now? Is it that our prince used to drink? Or that he used to drink at times and stay outside? Or that he used to drink at times and come back the next day? I don't understand. Which part are you confused?
Jeremy, are you alright? Why are you sounding like this? Do you realize he's a prince?
Wait, oh. And who told you that the royal household cannot even rejoice or drink on their own? Are they banned from drinking?
How I wish you can listen to yourself. Our prince is not supposed to be drinking to that extent. He will drink and get drunk.
Do you forget that these people are rich? In fact, all the days of their life you're supposed to be merriment. To
the extent that he will drink and get drunk.
I don't understand. Do you know me before? See, our prince is even picking his father. My own father is my own boy. I will be working mother. And you are here talking. See, he needs to drink.
Jeremy, alcohol is not good for him.
What are you saying? See, I'm even about to suggest to you so that we can talk to the king. So that whenever he's going out, we'll follow him. So that we know where he used to drink. If we are there, we'll count how many bottles that used to fill his stomach. So that next time if we go there to drink and he do not drink to that amount of bottle that used to fill his tank, we'll tell the bad woman to bring more drink. And the more he's drinking, we are drinking.
Jeremy, are you listening to yourself?
I don't understand.
Alcohol is against my faith.
It's against your faith. One neck and wagger. It's out of
my faith.
Yes, we don't drink. Do you know in the Bible,
look for sellotape for me. I want to quickly in a shot his mouth too. To the dark way, to the yard. You to the
who is that?
You to the yard. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Big for nothing, Jeremy.
My friend.
You to the yard. Good for nothing, Jeremy. Fat for nothing, Jeremy. Big for nothing, Jeremy.
Where is that your remedy?
I thought you will need it. It's on the table, inside your room. You will like it. See, this time around, it's not in solid form. It's in otaba form. It's in otaba form. Go the prince.
Go outside and take those bottles. We will return them to Madam Prophet. So please, take them home.
The way you take it this time around.
Do I chew it?
It has been grounded. How could you really put it on your palms? Use this hand. You dig. You bully direct to your nose. All the alcohol in your system goes down immediately.
Serious?
With that, if you can make that as an addition, you will upgrade your drinking life.
Jeremy.
Thank you, my highness.
Jeremy.
My friend, thank you.
Let me help you take these things inside. You don't expect the king to see you like this.
Are you home, Elisa?
Is he at home? Yes, my prince.
You've seen what you've got. You're even laughing. I don't understand. Can't you see our prince is doing well? He's upgraded. See, before he used to go out, stage 1, he will drink and come back the same day. Gradually, he upgraded to stage 2. He will go out there, drink, sleep, and come back the next day. Our God is doing well. What are you saying? Now he upgraded to stage 3. He now goes, drink, sleeps there. Olotaba, he will come back with bottles. And you say he's not doing well. My brother, he's doing well. Fantabulous.
Jeremy, why am I even having this discussion with you? Just take a look at yourself.
You see, Igwa Tango Tananka. Of all the noblemen in this kingdom, you choose this one, looking like a wrestler. I will go to market where they are buying goat. I will come back with you goat. He drinks and returns 2 bottles.
We are a bit honored by your visit. You see, when my queen was explaining to me how grown you are now, I thought she was making all that up. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. It is my pleasure to meet you once again.
The pleasure is ours. How are your parents?
They are all fine, my queen. My father has taken up appointment as Nigerian ambassador to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
He has presented his letter of credence to the king.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. He never mentioned that to me. Anyway, send my congratulations to him. I know that with his experiences, he will represent us well there. I know that.
I hope so, my king. And how is it going to be?
Oh, thank you, Tom.
Greetings, father.
My son.
Greetings, mom.
You're welcome. My son, take your seat. Take your seat. You see, we were just talking about you now.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Can you recall Ada? The girl that used to come to the house now when you people were still growing up. Her mother is my very good friend.
Oh, Ada?
Yes.
She's all grown now. How could I possibly forget you? I would never leave her mother's side, no matter who.
Please, my friend. You don't have to remember all that.
Good to see you again. You're welcome.
And that is wonderful. You remembered all that through your childhood.
Of course, Dad.
Wonderful. I wish I have such electric brain. In fact, I will pay as much as anything to have that kind of brain.
Time changes yesterday, Father. Ada, you're welcome to our home. Look at you. You look so beautiful and gorgeous now.
My friends, you can say that again.
You see, and that is why your mother and I decided she makes this visit. Because we were thinking she could make a good bride to you and a good queen to this kingdom. She's from a good family and well behaved too. So why don't you show her around the palace?
What is wrong with Mom and Dad?
Your Majesty, excuse me.
Don't mind, man. Don't mind. That's one of those things. Tell me about Saudi Arabia. I have never had an opportunity of visiting that kingdom.
Okay, Saudi Arabia.
Olisemeka, open the door. It is me, your mother. Olisa.
Harry. Well done, bro. Where are you? Yeah, I'm fine. I just need to sleep now. Okay, meet me at the lounge then. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Alright.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How was market? The market was bad though. Very, very bad. Not even itself. What happened? What about the prince? He didn't come today. Sister, no sign of him. I almost went to the palace today to check if he's in this kingdom. But there was nobody to look over the shop. So I was hungry again. Hi. Okay, no problem. Go to the palace. Go and check if he's okay. Mama, let me keep my bag inside. I could come back, please. Don't forget, if you see him, tell him we've introduced new hobby. Mama, okay, I'll get up. Ada, don't worry, I'll talk to him, okay?
It's okay, my queen. I'm fine.
My regards to your parents, especially your mother, my very good friend. I hope she will come around.
Okay, my queen. I beg to take my leave now.
It's alright, my child. Don't forget to send my regards to them. Olisa, where are you going? Olisemeka! It's okay, Ada. Please, don't forget to send my regards to your parents.
Okay, my friend, I will.
Take care. Let me see you to the car.
The life you are living now, this life you are living now, and the trials, it's just a testimony. Trials, it's just a testimony. Raising up to be told, raising up to be told.
Mother, is everything alright?
It is your brother. He's upset because of what your father said to him. And I'm afraid he's going to hurt himself.
What did father say to him?
I don't know.
Look, Mother, you should know Lisa by now. Whenever he switches to his dark mode, he prefers to be left alone. Don't worry. He'll come around.
But I'm worried.
Okay, I'll go and talk to him.
Really?
I'll be with you shortly.
Okay. Please do. Thank you.
Oh, you're a good-looking woman.
Thank you,
Yeah, you're welcome. You see, I have been looking forward to a day like this when you will show up. So you are the one that has been supplying my son, the prince of this kingdom, all those alcoholic drinks, thereby turning him into a hopeless human being.
No, Your Majesty. He enjoys spending time in our bar and helping himself with whatever we offer him. In short, he's our valued customer.
Yeah, I see. Trust. So how does he do all those things?
Your Majesty, he pays for all his drinks and also pays for all of our customers. He doesn't owe. He's our #1 customer.
I see. Dear, Your Majesty.
Jeremy? I'm standing by.
You see, my prince has been going to their bar to buy for himself and pay for others without owing.
You are right, sir.
Fine. He has been their #1 customer. Today she has come to buy from us. She's going to be our #1 customer and she won't owe us. So you take her to the backyard and make her comfortable. Okay?
No, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
The horse has... You have heard from the horse's mouth. Move it.
Move it.
Bandoko, Bruno. I say move.
Mother, that was so wrong. That was wrong. How could you and Dad make such a decision without giving him a head start? Not everyone is comfortable with that system.
What system are you talking about? He is our son, and as such we want the best for him.
By compelling him to marry a woman of your choice? Really? Oh, Mother. These days, no one forces marriage down anyone's throat. No one. Not being married is not the cause of his drunkenness. You guys will only succeed in pushing him to a point of no return. There's no guarantee that marriage will stop his bad habits.
Annabelle, marriage humbles even the most violent men. Coming home to meet his wife that will calm him down and set his heart well.
Oh, please, Mother. Take my advice. Let Olisa be. Stop trying to force marriage down his throat. He will get married at the right time. Okay?
I will not let him be. He is my son. And I want the best for him. He must marry Ada.
This granite and cucumber is a very bad combination.
I'm telling you.
Very sweet.
Very nice. But if your mother look for her money, what are you going to do?
Don't worry yourself. She's my mother. I know how to handle her.
You know how to handle her? You know how to handle her? But I want you to know that stealing is bad though.
And who stole?
You! To buy this thing we are eating. Yes.
If my mother talks about you, then I will tell her that you taught me how to steal.
You
taught me.
Ujua?
Yes.
I did.
You did.
Okay, come and collect this thing.
Come and take it.
Come and take it.
What happened?
Mama.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Mama Ujunwa.
Let me see, both of you went out together.
What? Let's know what the problem is. What?
Mama Ujunwa had an accident. She's in the hospital.
My daughter?
Yes.
Accident? Hey! Mama! Which hospital? Mommy, we don't have money now.
Mama,
Chibike, let's go. Mama, wait! Hey! Which hospital?
He's a prince, no doubt. But what's wrong is my doubt. He's a prince, no doubt. But what went wrong? I don't know. See what you did to yourself. I want this king to be. You wine. Look at what you done to yourself, bringing disgrace to this kingdom. This is disgrace. This is shame. Who did this to me? The shame is too much. I will not know myself.